Hello everybody, welcome to judycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you the solved question paper of ALET PG 2021, the entrance exam which was held on 30th of July, that means just 2 days back. So sorry for the delay, as I was busy into something. This is a reason why I couldn't discuss the solved paper with you in the proper time. So today I will be discuss with you each and every question. I will be dealing with you a total number of 150 questions, and I also will be telling to you the possible objection that I actually feel in some questions. So let us start. So this is the question paper, and let me tell you the duration of the exam was 90 minutes. That means 1.5 hours, and the maximum marks were 150, and the exam was held in pen and paper mode, and there was negative marking of 0.25 marks. So let us get into the question. So these are question number 1. If I talk about the overall question, I didn't find it very difficult. The questions were from easy to moderate level, and I'm actually expecting for general candidate students that your cutoff will be above 90 plus. Or it may be more than that, but I'm actually taking 90 plus because it's a PG and the total number of questions are actually 150. So according to me, so the least could be 90 and the maximum could be 120. That's what I actually think. And let us see what actually their result says, because I am not the only person who can validate the cutoff. It all depends on the questions and also on the students who have appeared to this exam. So only university can tell you better. So let us see the questions. Question number 1. The Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976 inserted which of the following words to the preamble of the Constitution of India? This option number A, socialist and secular. Question number 2. Under Article 3 of the Constitution of India, the proposal in a bill affecting the area, boundaries or names of any of the states is referred by the President to the legislature of that state for expressing its views thereon within a specified time period as allowed by the President. The bill for the above stated purpose could be introduced in either house of the Parliament only if option number D, it receives the recommendation of the President. So if I talk about the first question, this is not at all difficult, and this question has been repeated in the previous year. Which of the following constitutional amendment incorporated the provision under Part 3 of the Constitution of India providing for special provisions for socially and educationally backward classes of citizens or for scheduled castes or the scheduled tribes in admission to educational institutions, including private educational institutions, whether aided or unaided by the state other than the minority educational institutions? This is option number D, the Constitution 93rd Amendment Act 2005. Then question number 4, office of profit has been mentioned as a disqualification for the offices of President, Vice President, Governor and for members of Parliament and of state legislatures under various provisions of the Constitution of India. Apart from these provisions under which article office of profit has been mentioned as a disqualification, this is option number A, Article 18, which deals with titles. Question number 5. Which is the ground for the impeachment of the President under the provisions of the Constitution of India? This is option number C, violation of the Constitution. Question number 6. Article 38 of Part 4 of the Constitution of India was amended by option number B, the Constitution 44th Amendment Act 1978. Question number 7. Why the Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002, which one of the following fundamental duties was added in Part 4 of the Constitution of India? This option number C, to provide opportunities for education to children between the age of 6 to 14 years. Question number 8. The President of India is elected by the members of the Electoral College, which comprises of option number A, elected members of both houses of Parliament, elected members of the state legislative assemblies. Question number 9. Our Constitution aims at bringing about a synthesis between fundamental rights and the directive principles of state policy by giving to the former a pride of place and to the latter a place of permanence. Together, not individually, they are from the core. They constitute its conscience. This is option number D, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. So this has been observed in the case of option number D. Question number 10. The total number of ministers, including the Prime Minister in the Council of Ministers, shall not exceed certain percentage of the total number of members of the Lok Sabha. The percentage is option number C. It's 15%. So we have already dealt this kind of questions before. Question number 11. How many Anglo-Indian members were nominated to the House of the People by the President under Article 331 of the Constitution of India? This is option number B, 2. 12. Information Technology Act, Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021 have superseded the 2011 rules. In the Rules 2021, the requirement of publication of rules and regulations, privacy policy and user agreements which stipulate that no user shall post information which would contravene any law in force has been retained. Which of the following decisions of the Supreme Court of India has now been embodied in these rules? Very simple one, option number C, Shriya Singhal versus Union of India. Although the language of the question is actually tricky, but even you can select the correct option, that is option number C, even without knowing it. Question number 13. As per the Information Technology, Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021, any intermediary who primarily or solely enables online interaction between two or more users and allows them to create, upload, share, disseminate and modify or access information using its services and has more than 50 lakhs registered users is classified as a significant social media intermediary. Thus, all popular social networking platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter would be required to observe these additional requirements, which is known as. So these are the new rules. I have already discussed with you the rules in the legal current affairs. The video is still there in the playlist section of my channel. You can check it. So the correct option is option number A, due diligence requirements. 14. If any decision on the question as to the disqualification of members of parliament under Article 102 of the Constitution of India is to be taken, the decision of the President on that question will be final only if it is according to the opinion of option number C, Election Commissioner. Then 15. Who calls the joint sitting of both the houses of parliament after a bill is passed by one house and is transmitted to the other house? The other house rejects or disagrees to it. This option number D, President. 16. As per Article 102 of the Constitution of India, annual financial statement includes option number A, a statement of the estimated receipts and the expenditure of the Government of India for that year. 17. In MC Mehta versus Union of India, Shriram Foods and Fertilizers case, a principle that was constitutionally laid that in the case of escape of toxic gas, the enterprise is strictly and absolutely liable to compensate all those who are affected by the accident. Then question number 18. Supreme Court declared National Judicial Appointments Commission Act 2014 as the Constitution 99 Amendment Act 2014 as unconstitutional and void. What was the strength of the bench of the Supreme Court of India in this decision? This is option number B. It was a 5-judge bench. 19. Common Cause versus Union of India is quoted for option number C, leaving wills and passive euthanasia. 22. Article 368, which deals with amendment of the Constitution. If the amendment seeks to make changes to Articles 54, 55, 73, 162 and 241 or any of the list of the 7th schedule, apart from getting it passed from both the houses of parliament, it is required to be ratified by the state legislature. What is the extent of such ratification? So first let me tell you, this articles deals with election of president, manner as to the election of president, and then High Court of Union Territory. So this articles dealing with these topics. So the correct option would be option number D, not less than 1/2 of the state legislatures. 21. Provisions as to disqualification on the ground of defection was first incorporated in the Constitution of India. Why? This is the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1985. Then question number 22. Para 3 of the provisions as to disqualification on the ground of defection, that is of the 10th schedule, was omitted by the Constitution 91st Amendment Act 2003, which related to. So there was a para 3 in the 10th schedule and it was deleted by 91st Amendment Act, and the question is asking what the para actually dealt with. So this is option number B, disqualification on grounds of defection not to apply in case of split. 23. Power of President or Governor to promulgate an ordinance under Articles 123 or 213 is a dash power conferred by the Constitution. This is option number D, legislative. So Promulgating of ordinance is actually a legislative act by the president or the governor. 24. Each House of Parliament is the sole judge of lawfulness of its own proceedings, and the validity of any proceedings of Parliament cannot be called in question on ground of any alleged irregularity of procedure, under which provision of the Constitution of India has this been prescribed. So this has been prescribed under Article 122, which deals with that the proceedings of the Parliament cannot be questioned in the court of law. 25. How many languages are presently listed in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India? This is option number A, 22. 26. Right to vote has been recognized under the Indian Constitution as a option number D, constitutional right. 27. In the case of Indian Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala 2018, the dissenting opinion was delivered by, very easy one, this option number B, Justice Indu Malhotra. 28. Who has powers of superintendence, direction and control over the elections of the President and Vice President of India? This is option number C, the Election Commission of India. Then 29. Who has a right of audience in all the courts of India in the performance of official duties? Is option number B, the Attorney General of India. 30. Which provision of the Indian Penal Code provides for punishment in case of a woman subjected to cruelty? This option number C, section 498A. 31. Heart Bill is a legislation regulating which of the following? This is option number C, termination of pregnancy. 32. Admissibility of a dying declaration in section 32 of the Evidence Act can be traced to which of the following maxim? This is nemo meritorius presumptur mentri. 33. Who among the following can withdraw a case from prosecution under section 321 of the CRPC? This is option number B, public prosecutor in charge of a case with the consent of the court. 34. In cognizable cases, the power of the police under CRPC extends to this option number B, investigating the case and power to arrest without warrant. 35. What is the effect of compounding of an offence under Criminal Procedure Code? This is option number C. This is actually acquittal. 36. What is the maximum term of imprisonment that can be awarded in a summary trial? This is option number B. This is only 3 months in a summary trial. This is the maximum term of imprisonment that can be awarded. 37. When a complaint is presented before a magistrate and the magistrate proceeds to examine the complaint and witness, the magistrate is said to be conducting this option number A. So that proceeding is actually known as inquiry. 38. Which of the following statement is correct? Police officer can arrest a person. Option number C. 39. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of imposition of conditions in case of a bailable offence? So this is option number C. No condition can be imposed either by the police or court. Then 40. What is the significance of classification between summons and warrant case? This is option number D, both A and C. For determining the trial procedure to be adopted, and C, for deciding the issuance of process to the accused. So this is actually the main difference between summons case and warrant case. 41. Which of the following persons are not entitled to claim maintenance under section 125(4) of CRPC? This is option number C, both A and B. Wife living in adultery and wife living separately by mutual consent. 42. Which of the following irregularity of the magistrate is curable and doesn't result in proceedings being set aside merely on the ground of such irregularity? This is option number A. If he tenders pardon under section 306 of the CRPC. Then 43. In Joseph Shine versus Union of India, which of the following provisions of IPC was declared unconstitutional? This is option number D, section 497, which was adultery. 44. Which of the following doesn't fall within the category of grievous hurt? This is option number C, it's disfiguration of chest. 45. Which is not an ingredient for the offence of dowry death? This is option number C, death must take place in matrimonial home. Well, it is not compulsory. Death can also take place in the house of a parents. 46. Section 82 and 83 of the Indian Penal Code embody which legal principle? This is option number A, doli in capax. 47. Robbery is an aggregated form of, this option number C, both A and B, theft and extortion. 48. A man who monitors the use by a woman of the internet, email or any other form of electronic communication commits which offence under the IPC? This option number D, stalking. 49. What is the minimum punishment prescribed for the offence of acid attack under section 326A IPC? This option number C, 10 years. 50. A intentionally pulls up a woman's veil without her consent. A becomes liable for this option number D, criminal force. So this question has already been repeated in the previous year. 51. In order to decide whether a particular authority is an instrumentality or agency of the state, the following test can be applied in view of the decision of the Supreme Court is Som Parak Rekhi versus Union of India. So the correct option is option number D, so all of the above. So generally in this kind of question, the candidates has this habit that if the option is all of the above, then they'll tick that option only, but it is always not necessary that all of the above option will be correct in every question in which it is an option. So make sure of that. In this case, it is option number D, all of the above. Entire share capital of the corporation is held by government. The corporation enjoys monopoly status. B. Existence of deep and pervasive state control. C. The functions of the corporation are of public importance and closely related to governmental functions, or a department of government is transferred to a corporation. 52. Which of the following is not an official language of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? This is option number C, Punjabi. The question is regarding which of the following is not an official language of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. 53. As for the Consumer Protection Act 2019, what is the limit of pecuniary jurisdiction of the district court? This is option number C, 1 crore. Then 54. In state of Punjab versus Davinder Singh, pronounced on 27th of August 2020, a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court agreed to revisit which of the following judgments? This is option number B. I have already dealt with you the case, and I have already taken a session on cases on reservation. If you have referred to that session, you must have observed that this case has been repeated, or it has been mentioned in this session itself. This option number B, E.V. Chinaiya versus State of AP. 55. According to the recent Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court, who among the following has the power to make reservation for in-service candidates in postgraduate medical courses? This is option number C, State Government. 56. Which of the following is the primary test for determining the age of an accused under the law relating to juvenile offenders? So the test is known as option number B, ossification test. It's a kind of test of the bones. 57. In Dr. Jayashree Lakshman Rao Patil versus Chief Minister decided on 5th May 2021, it was held that, so this case is favorably known as Maratha reservation case. I have already taken a session on that. So the correct option is option number C. The 50% rule spoken in Balaji and affirmed in Indira Sahni is to fulfill the objective of equality as engrafted in Article 14, of which Articles 15 and 16 are facets 50% is reasonable. 58. Doctrine of indirect discrimination was analyzed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Option number A, Lieutenant Colonel Nitisha versus Union of India, and it was delivered on 25th of March 2021. It's the latest judgment. 59. Justice Arun Mishra took over as the chairperson of the following bodies. This is option number D, National Human Rights Commission. 60. Who appoints the Advocate General in states? This is option number D, Governor. 61. Who shall have the right to speak in and otherwise to take part in the proceedings of either house, any joint sitting of the houses, and any committee of parliament of which he may be a member but shall not be entitled to vote? So the correct option is option number B. These are Ministers of Government and Attorney General of India. 62. R.K. Garg versus Union of India is known as this option number B, bearer bonds case. So this question has also been repeated from previous year. 63. Bandh was held as illegal and unconstitutional in the case of option number B, Bharat Kumar K. Palicha versus State of Kerala. 64. Freedom from noise pollution is a part of Article 21 was held in option number C, In Re Noise Pollution 2005. 65. Which human rights are often understood as the third generation rights? This is option number B. These are known as collective rights. 66. Name the two union territories formed out of the state of Jammu and Kashmir after repealing the special status granted by the Indian Constitution. This is option number B, Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. 67. Which act of the Parliament of India contained the provisions to reconstitute the state of Jammu and Kashmir? This is option number D, the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. 68. Who has given the power to grant pardon or to commute a death sentence? Is option number B, President. 69. An organization that was founded in 1919 later became the first specialized agency of the United Nations in 1946. This is option number D, International Labour Organization. 70. International law consists of those rules of conduct which Reason deduces as consonant to justice from the nature of the society existing among independent nations with such definitions and modifications as may be established by general consent, and it has been stated by option number A, Wheaton. So generally if I talk about the jurisprudence, the question are not very tough, barring few questions which was actually of advanced level. 71. Which amongst the following is not a main organ of the United Nations? This is option number D, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. 72. The Tober Doctrine is also known as option number C, Doctrine of Legitimacy. Then 73. Mohiri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh, 1903 deals with option number A, capacity to contract. 74. According to section 4 of the Indian Contract Act, the communication of an acceptance is complete as against the proposer when it is put in a course of transmission and is out of the power of the acceptor, option number A. 75. Every agreement of which the object of consideration is unlawful is actually known as a void agreement, option number A. 76. Every agreement by which one is restrained from exercising a lawful profession or trade or business of any kind is to that extent is option number A, void. 77. A contract is a contract to do or not to do something. If an uncertain future event happens, it also cannot be enforced by law unless and until the event has happened. If the event becomes impossible, such contracts become what? This option number A, contingent contract. 78. Delivery of goods from one person to another for a special purpose is called as option number D, is known as bailment. 79. Delivery of goods as security for payment of a debt or performance of a promise is called option number B, pledge. 80. When a person delegates his authority to another and appoints him or her to do some specific job or a number of them in specified areas of work, it establishes a relationship of option number B, principal and agent. 81. Name the doctrine whereby there is an obligation of the state to protect and take into custody the rights and privileges of its citizens, and it acts as provider of protection to those unable to care for themselves. So this doctrine is actually known as parens patriae, in which the state actually acts as the guardian of those who cannot protect themselves. Then 82. Which of the following jurists delineated the distinction between principle and policy? This is option number B, Ronald Dworkin. 83. Which of the following laws places an embargo on the civil code granting injunction in respect of all dispute arising out of a contract relating to infrastructural projects? This is option number A, Specific Relief Amendment Act 2018. 84. Match the following. So this question is actually very easy. Social engineering is Roscoe Pound. Volgist is Carl von Savigny. Social solidarity, Leon Dugwit. And inner morality is actually Lon Fuller. So in the column 2, the name of the jurists are given and the theories of the same are given in column 1, and you have to match column 1 to column 2. 85. Universal Declaration on Human Rights was adopted by General Assembly in the year option number C, 1948. 86. In 2015, the then UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon highlighted the new development agenda, calling on countries to begin efforts to achieve certain goals over the next 15 years. According to him, these goals represent our shared vision of humanity and a social contract between the world's leaders and the people. What are these goals known as? This option number is Sustainable Development Goals. 87. How many goals are mentioned in the SDG? This option number C, 17. 88. Which of the following is not a source of international law? None of the above, because all the given options are the sources of international law. International conventions, international customs, and C, opinio juris. 89. A contract regarding public policy is option number B, void. 90. What is one of the main additions to the new Consumer Protection Act 2019? This is option number C, e-commerce. 91. Precautionary credit line of IMF is, so this is actually option number D, for countries with sound fundamentals and policies and a track record of implementing such policies. So this question is actually relating to contemporary legal events, or say the current affairs. United Nations General Assembly UNGA Resolution 377-5 is famously known as, this option number C, Uniting for Peace Resolution. 93. Just cogent Smith's preemptory norm of international law. 94. Which of the following is a requisite condition for a contract with the government under Article 299 of the Constitution of India? This is option number D, all of the above. The contract must be expressed to be made by the President. The contract is to be executed in the manner as directed by the President. C. The contract must be entered into on behalf of the President. 95 in common law jurisprudence, which of the following is the oldest writ? This option number A, writ of trespass. 96, the jurisprudence is a lawyer's extra version, was stated by option number B, Julius Stone. 97, which of the following is true? This option number B, all courts are tribunals, but all tribunals are not courts. It actually means that courts actually include tribunals, but tribunals do not include courts. 98, which of the following doctrines is closest to the maxim quando aliquid prohibitor ex directo prohibitor et per obliquum? What cannot be done directly should also cannot be done indirectly. So this is known as option number C, is doctrine of colorable legislation. 99, from which 9 judge bench judgment of the Supreme Court has the following being accepted? So you have to choose the correct case law in which the observation has been made by the Supreme Court. Let us read the excerpt first. It's privacy, which is a powerful guarantee if the state were to introduce compulsory drug trials of non-consenting men or women. The sanctity of marriage, the liberty of procreation, the choice of a family life, and the dignity of being on matters which concern every individual irrespective of social strata or economic well-being. The pursuit of happiness is founded upon autonomy and dignity. Both are essential attributes of privacy, which makes no distinction between the birthmarks of individuals. So this is option number D. This is actually Joseph Shine versus Union of India. So in this case, it has been held. Then 100. Which of the following judgments relates to proclamation of President's rule in a state under Article 356 of the Constitution of India? This is option number B. S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. 101. Doli incapax means incapable of crime, forming a defense for children that a child is incapable of a crime. Basis of this presumption lies in the theory of criminal responsibility, which means that a person should be held criminally responsible only for acts he intends to commit. Doli incapax finds its important in which of the legislations in India? This is option number B, Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act. In this, in this act, this maxim is actually found, Doli incapax. Then 102, laws too gentle are seldom obeyed, too severe seldom executed. Who said this? Is option number A, Benjamin Franklin. 103, obedience to the law is demanded as a right, not asked as a favor. Who said this? Is option number B, Theodore Roosevelt. 104, development as freedom is based upon the concept that the enhancement of freedoms that allow people to lead lives that they have always reason to live is based upon the book written by option number D, Amartya Sen. In 105, in development as freedom, 5 specific types of freedoms have been outlined. Which one of the following set of freedoms didn't find mentioned there? This is option number D, economic, equality and democratic guarantees. So this question is a bit tricky and also confusing and also very less expected. So you may skip this question. 106, who amongst the following enunciated the principle it is the greatest happiness of the greatest number? What is the measure of right and wrong? This is option number A, Jeremy Bentham. Who gave pure theory of law? This is option number C, Hans Kelsen. 108, law is social engineering, which means a balance between the competing interests in society in which applied science are used for resolving individual and social problems. Who said this? Is option number A. It has been said by option number A, Roscoe Park. When the term social engineering is involved, then keep it in mind that the correct option would be, and you were asked that who said this paras, this or that para. So you may blindly choose the option in which Roscoe Pound is mentioned. 109, law is derived from the social facts and depends not on the state authority but on social compulsion. Whose words are these? This option number D, Eugene Elrich. 110, the nature of any legal system is a reflection of the spirit of its people, which is known as Volgist. Find out who from the following is a jurist who rejected the theories of natural law as well as positive law. This is option number B, Frederick Carl von Savigny. 111, the school of jurisprudence which studies law as it is and in its actual working and its effects, the school rejects traditional definition of law and also avoids any dogmatic formulation and fully concentrates on decisions given by the court. Name the school. This option number D, Realist Law School. 112, natural law is nothing other than participation of eternal law in rational creatures, the imprint of God's providential plan on man's natural reason. Who stated this? Is option number B, Thomas Aquinas. 113, a usage is a deputation of act, whereas dash is a law or general rule that arises from such repetition, it also derives its authority from its adoption into the law and is binding regardless of any acts of assent by the parties. So what is this? So this is actually custom. Usage is a repetition of acts, whereas custom is a law or general rule that arises from such repetition. Then 114, there are two basic concepts which together govern the right to property of an individual. According to this concept, the possessor has a better claim to the title of the object than anyone except the option number A, owner. 115. Fiat justitia ruat coelum is a Latin legal phrase which means option number D, let justice be done though the heavens fall. 116, the four elements of a wrong are duty, breach of duty, causation and injury. What kind of wrongs are these as recognized by the common law? This option number B, tortious. So 170, pigeonhole theory under the law of torts was coined by option number A, John William Salmond. Just remember Salmond. 180, law of tort is a general liability which originates from the violation of duty determined by the law. Who said this? So this has been said by Percy Henry Winfield. Then 119, the aggrieved party suffered due to a tort committed by many wrongdoers may file a civil suit against option number 3, all of the wrongdoers. Then 120, depending upon the apportionment of the compensation done by the court or otherwise, the aggrieved party suffered due to a tort committed by many tortfeasors may get compensation from. So it can get compensation from any one of the tortfeasors or few of the tortfeasors or all of the tortfeasors. 121, which of the following is not a defense of the tort of defamation? This option number A, self-defense. So this question has also been repeated from previous year. 122, the maxim ubi jus ibi remedium means, so it actually means none of the above because it means where there's a right, there's a remedy. But here in this option, it is given where there's a wrong, there's a remedy. So this is actually not true. 123, the Latin maxim ex turpe causa non-auditor actio, it means all of the above. Actually, the option should be A and B, not all of the above, because there is option number C which speaks none of the above. So if I choose none of the above in all of the above, then the question will be wrong. So the in my knowledge, the correct option would be option number A and B and option number D. From a dishonorable cause, an action doesn't arise, and B, no recovery of damages if arisen from an illegal activity. 124, an interference of a person's right to property without the owner's consent and without lawful justification constitutes the tort of, so it is actually option number A, conversion. Then 125, a statement which may not be defamatory. One second. This won't be option number A. The correct option would be option number C, nuisance. An interference of a person's right to property without the owner's consent and without lawful justification is actually will be constitute the tort of nuisance. Hmm. 124 is correct option will be option number C, nuisance. 125, a statement which may not be defamatory but an innocent one which contains a secondary meaning enough to make it defamatory and derogatory statement is known as option number B, innuendo. 126, article 300A deals with option number B, right to property. 127, doctrine of pith and substance is used to decide option number A, legislative competence. 128, article 253 deals with option number B, the competency to make laws for implementing international treaties is vested with the Parliament. 129. The Kellogg-Brandt Pact was an agreement to outlaw war, was signed in option number C, 1928. Now let me tell you, this question was repeated in DULLM for the year 2020. 130, which is an international agreement regulating treaties between states, which is also known as the Treaty or Treaties, and establishes comprehensive rules, procedures and guidelines for how treaties are defined, drafted, amended, interpreted and generally operated, and is considered a codification of customary international and state practice concerning treaties. So this is actually known as the Vienna Convention on the Law of the Treaties, and it is also known as Treaty of the Treaties because it established comprehensive rules, procedure and guidelines for the treaties, and it also defines defines and drafted, amended, interpreted and generally operated, like how a treaty should be. It talks about everything. So this is the reason why the correct option is option number C, because this is the treaty which actually guides through the principle of treaties. 131. Which of the following statement is correct? Option number B, no two judges may be the nationals of the same country at the same time. This is true. So the total number of judges are 15, not 12, and the term of the judges for ICJ is 9 years. 132. Montevideo Convention codifies option number D is statehood. 133. Under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, the territorial sea of a state extends to very easy one. This is option number B, 12 nautical miles. 134. According to which concept of the law of the sea, a vessel may be allowed to pass through the archipelagic and territorial waters of another state subject to certain restrictions. This is option number A, right to innocent passage, also known as Corfu Channel case. Then 135. Which institution is not established under the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea? This is option number D, the International Arbitral Authority for the Law of the Sea. 136. Declaratory theories related to option number A, recognition. 137. International law and treaties, a maxim pacta tertius nec nocent nec procent means a treaty binds only the parties. A treaty doesn't create obligation for the third state. This is option number C, both A and B. 138. Which of the following countries has never been a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council? This is option number A, this is Japan. And all the three countries are the permanent members of the UN. 139. In the Nicaragua case, the International Court of Justice ruled the following. This is option number B, 2 and 3. Rejected the justification of the self-defense set up by USA, and 3. Intervention of US in supporting the Contras rebellion was violative of the customary international law. 140. Which of the following human rights is enshrined in both the International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights and the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights? Is option number D, right to self-determination. 141. In which case it was held that the powers of the Security Council to recommend to members that they refer their case to the International Court of Justice didn't involve an obligation to do so. This option number A, Corfu Channel case. 142. The French constitutional principle of Lecite is closest to which basic feature of the Indian Constitution? Well, this question is also very tricky and unexpected. The correct option is option number C, secularism. 143. While Truman Doctrine can be said to mark the beginning of fall of the Berlin Wall, marks the end of option number C, Cold War. 144. The doctrine of rebus stantibus in treaty law means a treaty becomes incapable due to fundamental change of circumstances. And it is also applicable to contracts, private contracts. 145. Which of the following is not a fair dealing exception to copyright infringement under Indian law? This option number D, promotion of industry. 146. Under the statute of the International Court of Justice, the statement subject to the provisions of Article 59, judicial decisions and the teachings of the most highly qualified publicists of the various nations as a subsidiary means for the determination of rules of law is found under option number B, Article 38. 147. Peaceful settlement of international disputes under Chapter 6 of the UN Charter provides for the following methods. So it is option number B, 3 and 4, judicial settlement and inquiry. 148. Which specialized agency of the United Nations was also one of the essential wings of the League of the Nations? This is option number C, International Labour Organization. Then 149. Tender years doctrine is a legal principle in family law dealing with option number B, custody of child in divorce proceedings. 150. In case of a marriage between parties which are within a prohibited relationship of the Hindu Marriage Act renders it void. So this is the end of the entire questions, and I have discussed with you the entire questions which have been asked in this year ALAT PG exam, and I hope you all have liked it. And if you have any query, doubts or suggestions, and if you want something to add on it, you can do the same in the comment section below. So we will again meet you with the next new session, and till then stay tuned and goodbye.